Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. We are at Willowbrook Garden Centre. Thought we'd have a little look around. I need to get some bigger pots, don't I? So thought may as well show you around. It's a lovely garden centre. In the summertime it's so nice. I've got Miss Lucy here in the sling. Don't forget Mother's Day. I'm going to say we can. Right. Beautiful flowers at the kid. Okay. So we need some organic potash for the phosphorus, don't we? And got some crazy prices. Okay. Joe. Oops, sorry. Okay. Right, seed starting trays, potato bags, growing trays. Aha. Let's have a look. I think these will do, aren't they? 5 for $2.50. Yeah. On the seeds. Let's have a look at the chillies, kid. Oh, it's a tight squeeze in there. Alright, let's see what they got. Armageddons, we got them. Basket fires. Demon red, chocolate habaneros. Trinidad Maruga scorpions. Reggae chilies, raging balls. Yeah. Okay. Let's head outside, shall we, Lucy, there? There might be some more here. Let's have a look. So here we are outside. So there's happy. Lovely, everything's just getting ready for spring, summertime. I like to come here in the summer and just have a wander around. And be honest with you, I like to go and pinch a bit of mint and have a chew on some mint leaves all around the shop. It's a lovely garden centre. I strongly recommend if you're in the North Bromsgrove, South Birmingham area, come check it out. Oh, we got our climbers there, look. Okay, go. Lovely spring flowers here. don't know what it is. It might be lavender, but it smells incredible. Look at these. Here are your herbs. Chives. Some minty, look. A pinch of mint. No chilies at the moment, unless I'm missing them. They're usually around about here. But as you know, it's too early at the moment to have them outside. We'll have a look a bit later. And we do. It's a great day today. Let's pop back inside. Lovely setup, isn't it? Right, let's pay, shall we? We'll have a little look in the fruit shack as well, eh, kid? The fruit shack next to it. I think we're going to have to get some dates, kid. Let's get some dates. So there we go, we've just left Willowbrook. Got some larger plant pots. 5 larger plant pots for £2.49. And 2 packs of Majour dates for £1.40. £1.49. So I'm going to enjoy those. I haven't had dates in a while. So there we have it. Please come visit Willowbrook Garden Centre at Willow Tree Restaurant. Very, very nice, but bring extra money because, yeah, it's a little pricey. Now at the side of Willowbrook here, just before you're heading into Bromsgrove, you have a little turning and there's a nice bike path, bicycle cycling path that takes you all the way back into Catshill, and we shall go that way because it's a nice day. Let's go do this.